everyone, I'm Hkpax and today I'm going to make a video about my new channel, but not all the whole video is about my new channel. Link is in description. I mean the channel's link. If you don't know where's the description, it's down here. But if you still can't find it, in case, this is the name of the channel, Paxton the Cuba. So go check out and subscribe. Come back to this video, keep watching. So I'm not going to talk English anymore, I'm going to talk Cantonese. So I'm going to talk Cantonese right now. 好啦，啱啱講我嘅新英文嘅頻道啦，如果大家想睇一睇就個名就係 Hkpax V S 啦，咁可以睇到嗰啲 description 嘅，我頭先講嗰啲 description 喺下邊嗰度依度下邊，咁睇撳嗰個 description 就可以撳條 link， 跟住就可以去到啦。咁而家講一講我而家今日做嘅片啦，就係講我對一個機械人嘅，咁我而家咁呢個機械人咧就係要等佢綠燈先開波，而家難得而家綠燈啦。呢度有8個格仔嘅，而家我打緊隻反手打，我可以打轉圈定嘅手，跟住打轉個波太高啦。佢係要打反手，所以我冇打過正手啦。正手我及翻佢就打得好快啦，不過因為慢慢打啦，佢頭打，所以而家你見到有人執定波啦，咁樣咯。我諗啲波就太高，唔啱我打，唔打低，不過都要練嘅啦。我都接受到嘅，不過打低啲可能會變快啲咯，即係我打嘅，即係喺例如呢個位就可以打咁可以打轉快啲咯。咁其實我幾中意嘅，係咯，你都聽到啦，行過一層。OK， 咁就完啦。我 overall 都幾中意呢個活動嘅。咁好啦，就咁樣完條片啦。拜拜。